Good day, guys. Welcome to Vec Trading, and today I'll be explaining you how I use the triangle pattern. There are different types of triangle pattern out there, so I'll just be showing you. I'll just be revealing to you the three best triangle pattern I use. So if I want to use me not tell that if you not join my free group, the link is in the description. So you can follow us. I give analysis there daily, so you can join us. So when I started the mentorship last week, those that joined the mentorship, they've been really benefiting from it. So today I just want to just show you how to use it, as a newbie. The triangle pattern. Okay, there are different type of triangle pattern, but I'll just be showing you three ones, that I use. I'll not be showing you how I use them, but I'll just be showing you the basics on how to use them, as a newbie, and the mistakes some of you make. Some of you just see markets, maybe you see markets consolidating like this, you just put triangle pattern, and the mistake is that when you just see a breakout, you just take, maybe it broke out here, you just take the buy and to retrace. That's the mistake some newbies make. So the first triangle pattern I'll be showing you is ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is, maybe you see, let me do this a clear example. Let me just illustrate this. Let me just so this the price when these two, let's say you see price move like this and you draw your trend line. Now the first condition for your ascending triangle, the top must be horizontal, not bending, not slanting, horizontal. This is not clear horizontal, but just have the idea. It must be horizontal, and the below trend line must be ascending. So you see price move, when you just see two touches, you draw a trend line. And some mistake you guys just make is that when maybe price move down and price broke out here, you just take a buy. That is a breakout. No, in ascending triangle, price broke down, you just take a sell and to retrace. No, it's wrong. The best way to trend ascending triangle is when it breaks out upward. Because do you know why? This is a ascending triangle, this is a clear uptrend. So if you are trading uptrend and you trade and it's broke down below and you trade a sell, it is going to retrace back. So the best way to trade ascending triangle, is to take a buy. You can note these few things so that at least it will enhance your trading tips. Now the second triangle is descending triangle. Let's just say price move, let's just give an example. Price came down, you see in a little consolidation. Price came, you draw a trend line, then you wait for a confirmation. Some newbies, you just take a trade anytime it breaks out. If it breaks out upward, then it's wrong. That's why you see that some of them will say, what's happening? You are following top traders, you just see them analyzing charts, it's breaks. Have you ever thought of like, what are the conditions? Some of you just learn engulfing different chart pattern. People don't really review the conditions, in trading all this pattern. So that will be, I just supposed to release it, but I just want to help some newbies out there. So in the mentorship, I'll be showing you the keynotes I take off. So the best way to trade descending, is when it breaks out downward. Then it's the best way because it's currently in a down trend. So the third triangle pattern, this is the most common. It's happened mostly in crash and volatility. This is the most common. You see price when you draw a trend line. Let me just say price came from here, retests, and You might be thinking that okay, this is a symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, now I want to tell you that for this type of pattern, sorry about that. Okay, so I was talking about the symmetrical pattern. Okay, so for this symmetrical pattern, let me draw a better one. Okay, so price came retest, draw a trend line. Now you now be thinking, where's the perfect place for a breakout to take a trade? Okay, so when it's breakout either here or here, okay, it's correct. Okay, it's only for symmetrical triangle, okay, that you can take either a buy or sell in a when there's a breakout. Okay, now the mistakes, and that I want you to take note is that do not just enter a trade anyhow. Okay, always wait for a confirmation. That's the mistakes newbies make. Okay, maybe they don't see a breakout, maybe breakout occurred and they will take a buy to just reverse. They'll be thinking that, oh, what's up? Is it that this indicator is not working, or strategy or pattern is not working? Okay, everything works. It's just that you need to wait for a confirmation. Okay, so in the mentorship I started with the part 1 way. Okay, how to identify a confirmation. Okay, how pro traders identify a confirmation before taking a buy or sell. Okay, so I tell you guys that, okay, just practice, learn more. If you have any question, I'll be willing to answer. All my details are in the description. Okay, so in the remaining videos I'll be making, okay, I'll be showing you the live market. Okay, live market that these patterns, okay, occurred. So this is just part 1 of it. Okay, in the part 2 of it I'll be showing you live trades. Okay, and on real market, not just illustration. Okay, on real market, boom, crash, volatility, any indices. If I see this thing, I'll make the video and make sure you guys follow. Okay, so you learn better. Okay, just subscribe so when I drop the next video you will be notified. Okay, thank you.